press this button. This is the sports mode. When you want to listen this song in your Zing studio or in your the Zing studio, or where you are for sports, for in your stadium and in your sports room. And when press this button here, this is the standard mode. Standard mode, you can use all time this mode. It is recommended by the JBL. So repeat again, if you press this button, there are music mode, there are movie mode, there are voice mode, and sports mode and standard mode. Always play this system in standard mode. It is recommended by the JBL. And when you this is the shuffle, all off, shuffle. So when this system is connected to USB and the HDMI cable, so if you use this button. And what is this mode? This is the night mode. When you use this button, if the sound automatically decrease. So I am increase the sound, and if you press this button, night mode, press it again, it is come in the night mode. This button, night mode on. If you press this one, night mode off. When you use this night mode on, some sound should be decreased, because night would be the atmosphere of the night would be very silent. This system would not disturb outside your home. So the next button, the dim display. When you use the dim display button, the light is dim too. This light is automatically, the lumen of the light intensity automatically decrease. The dim is 1, but the light intensity is increase. Dim 2, light automatically decrease, and dim 3 automatically more decrease, and dim 1, light intensity more increase. And the next button, sound, surrounded sound. So this is only if you want to listen this music surroundly, just press this button. My music is stopped. Play it again. Just press this button, you can listen the song surroundly. The sound automatically increase, sound volume automatically increase. Sounded sound automatically decrease. So now my microphone is close to I am closing this microphone to into the speaker, so you can just listen. Just surrounding sound, meaning the sound automatically increase. So you can listen the surroundings. When you press the surrounding sound button, the sound automatically increase. When you make the surrounding button off, the sound automatically, the volume of the sound automatically decrease. And the last, this one sound shift. If this system is connected to mobile phone and TV, you can this button, but in my system is not connected to mobile phone and the computer, so I cannot show you this button function. So when you press this button, directly Bluetooth button, the system is ready for Bluetooth. If you are using the Bluetooth device, just like my phone, just use this Bluetooth button, just automatically turn on the Bluetooth. Just press this button. When you press this one and start getting to pairing, because I have no Bluetooth device, so it would not connect to my Bluetooth device. And sorry for English speaking, don't mind, because I am not well in English. Just try to understand. Just when you press the Bluetooth button again, the Bluetooth automatically turn on. To come back in my USB mode, just press the source button. There is the USB, and when you press this source button, this is the source button. When you press this button, ARC, this is the ARC. When you press this one, HDMI 1. When you press once again HDMI 2, when you press, this is the source button. There are different type of source. One is auxiliary aux cable to USB, and 3 HDMI cable. So this is the source. So when you press it, HDMI 3, again this is a OPT, this is a auxiliary aux cable. This is the aux and OPT optical device. This is the optical, and this is the aux cable. This is a Bluetooth pairing. This is the source button. Repeat again. When you press this source button, you can find the different type of source. The system has the different type of sources like USB, ARC, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, and this is the optical wire, optical cable. This is the aux cable, this is the Bluetooth, and this is the USB. There are different type of source, and if you have no remote control, just use this. There is a plus sign. Now I will focus this camera to here. This plus sign, minus signs to decrease the sound, for increase the sound, press it here. Press it here. To decrease the sound, press here. And this is the source button. When you use this button, this automatically change the source, ARC, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, OPT, optical device, auxiliary, Bluetooth, USB. When you use this button, it automatically go on standby mode. Standby mode, the meaning of the standby mode is turn it off. Just press one, standby mode means that it is turn it off. The same option you can get it here in the remote control. And I hope you enjoy this video, and see you again. I'm not well in English, so don't mind. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.